Welcome to Homework Lib.
Since you already got the first part, let's get to the second piece. If the ramp was 26 feet long, we want to know how much elevation it provides, so there's 1/10 of a foot, and we know that from part A it makes 4.8 degrees with the ground. So using your right triangle trig ratio, x, well, we want to find the height is the opposite, and we know the hypotenuse, that's sine. So we can say the sine of 48 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Multiply both sides by 26, and you're solved for x. You just need to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode, and you can type 26 sine 48. And that's 19.32. And to the nearest foot, then, you would say 19 feet. And that does not make sense. I need to fix it because I'm missing a decimal. Like, that is really high. That's better. 2 feet, 2.17. Please fix that. So we'll say about 2 feet.